अपनी जर्नी के बारे में, किस तरह से शुरुआत की आपने, इस फील्ड पे कैसे आप आए?
Namaste सबको हमारा. My name is Dr. Parin Somani. I'm an international motivational speaker, academic scholar, writer, author, philanthropist, and humanitarian work as well I do. So I know it's a very mouthful. So when you talk about my journey started when I have got a health challenges which I was facing from 2000, but 2010 was my year of a turning point. How I had a turning in 2010 when I have got the second attack of the cancer. That has given me a more inspiration to help the society. So that was something I would like to share, that how I got recovered with this cancer and with my vision loss. The motto, the achievement which I have gained by getting 5 doctorates and by receiving and by recognizing 4 World Book of Records, that has given me inspiration to help the society at large.
आपने कहा 2010 से 11-12 साल हो गए हैं, क्या कुछ पाया, क्या कुछ खोया, what you gain and what you...
Well, I don't think I have lost anything. I have gained to help the society in a different fields of education with different NGOs and many academics places I've helped. So I've helped the Gujarat University, Saurashtra University, Mumbai University, Florida University, Spain, Valencia, Dr. Babasaheb University, Dr. Parul University in MSc University. So a lot of universities I worked in a different section, different areas of education, and my journey is still continuing with the Canada universities. I've started working with them, and now I'll be starting with Noida IMT University, IMS University, GCRC University in Rajasthan. So my wings are spreading more and more on the education side, and now I have gone into the side of the people who have asked me to be the part of the beauty with the brain. So that is a very good thing has come up in my life that I never realized about myself, that I can do that. But since I've been inspiring them, I enjoy doing that as well.
फैमिली के कैसा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है? फैमिली क्या कुछ कहती है जब आप कहते हो कि जाना है, ऐसा करना है, ये किया मैंने? फर्स्ट सिलेक्शन क्या था फैमिली का 2010 में, अब क्या कह रही है?
I have a very good support system from my family. My husband is a wonderful man. My 3 daughters' support is amazing. I have got my father-in-law, my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law. I have got my parents alive as well. My father-in-law has just passed in this year in 21 in COVID, but nothing to do with the COVID. And my father-in-law was my best buddy, I would say that. He is the amazing guy. You know, once a girl gets married, you leave your family, you go back to your in-laws, and there the new life starts. But I think I had a very good support system from my father-in-law who has passed away. I miss him a lot at this time, and God rest him in the peace. He was the person who has allowed me and helped me that I should not be sitting home, but I should be helping the society. I should be going to work. And then that later on my children grow up, and my 2 daughters are my eyes. They have helped me in each and everything what I do right now.
हस्बैंड ने कहा नहीं कि क्या कर रहे हो, अपना डॉक्टर हो, यहाँ काम करो, कुछ कहा नहीं हस्बैंड ने?
No, my husband is aware of it, and my husband knows that I am just trying to fulfill my motto, which I have got 2 mottos in my life after all my illnesses have come, that I want to help the society at large, and my second motto that I want to work together and make a positive global change. So without traveling, without my travel, how can I do that? And my husband knows about it. So I'm more outside the country, and then I'm less in London. However, we go on a holiday together, and he also give me the company wherever he can. So right now we are planning to meet up in Sri Lanka in December, where I'm invited to be in one of the event for 5 days event, the government event of Sri Lanka. So he's going to join me, and my other daughters are with the father. So when my daughters are with the dad, they take care. I am there. We talk every day. So I do have a very good support system with the family to fulfill the mission what I am here for.
अब डॉटर कुछ कहती है आपको, कभी कुछ टिप्स देती है, कुछ कहती है मम्मी ऐसा करो, मामा ऐसा करो, कुछ?
Every time. They are my right hand. All my three daughters are in a different they work in a different side of me. Like one helps me, mommy you should do this, the other one says mommy I think this will be better for you. So all my work is been handled by my children. They help me and they support me, and they always have been my backbone for my work.
अच्छा, जो नई लड़कियां जो आना चाहती है इस फील्ड पे जो है, तो क्या टिप्स देंगे आपकी तरफ से कि आपने कहीं 10 साल के ऐसा कहीं आपने नॉलेज गेन किया है, तो उन्हें क्या कुछ कहें, क्या टिप्स देंगे उनको?
I would say, first of all, you have to be honest to yourself. Believe in yourself. And when you believe in yourself, the world will believe in yourself. When you are honest, truthful, and helping the society without any intention of getting reward back from anybody, be truthful. Try to do whatever you can do best for them, but don't make false promises to anyone. And when you're honest, the work will show up. And nowadays the young girls wants to come in the industry of model, as a makeup artist, which I'm meeting a lot on my way. So yes, you can do that, but be the inspirational role model to the other girls. That's the main thing, other society in the world.
कभी कोई अपनी फिल्मों को ऑफर मिला है? ऐसा हुआ कि कोई फिल्म पे फैशन शो था कहीं की मॉडलिंग के लिए, आपने कभी लगा फिल्म में भी कुछ ट्राई करे, कभी ऑफर मिला हो फिल्म का?
Abhi recently I was in a Trichy and I was being given an offer by one of the director in the South India, from the South, and there is a movie going to come out. They are making a movie with the Rajinikanth, and I've been asked to work with him, and I completely declined. Even Rajinikanth himself has asked me, like I had a chat with him, and he said, "Madam, it's something that I would like to work, but I'm academician, so this is not my cup of tea." So I said this is not something I would enjoy it. Yes, if there is any documentary you guys are doing, I'll be more than happy to be part of your film, but not as a main heroine or not as a part of the heroine where I can be and I can be on that side of the movie side. No, this is not my life. I want to be the educationist. I'm an educator, and I would like to help the society in the universities, in the colleges, to help the faculty members, to all the professors in the global world, but not as a movie star.
कोई ड्रीम है ऐसा कुछ करना? मतलब बहुत कुछ कर चुकी है आप, फिर कुछ कोई ड्रीम है कि ये करना बाकी रह गया, अभी करना है?
मेरे पास कोई ड्रीम ही नहीं है. मेरा ड्रीम वही है कि मुझे समाज के लिए इतना कुछ करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू लीव माई लेगेसी बिहाइंड, दैट आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प द सोसाइटी विदाउट एनी इंटेंशन. मुझे कोई पैसा देता है तो भी हम काम करते, कोई नहीं देता है फिर भी हम काम करते. व्हेन पीपल कॉल मी एज अ चीफ गेस्ट एंड पीपल हैव आस्क्ड मी that we would like to invite you, they pay for everything, and sometimes they don't even pay, sometimes I pay them to support their event, and that is my pleasure because I look at the work what they do. When I see the work they are doing, because I'm a philanthropist, and very soon one of my book is coming out which I will share with you, CSR Awards 2021 edition, which has just happened on 29th of October. Radisson Blu in Dwarka Hotel. There was I received the award on the education, and Gaurav Valla, he's doing this magazine, and in that magazine all the philanthropic are there. So I'm one of them in this magazine as well. So I'm a philanthropist. So I like to help the society in my own capacity, whatever I can do.
आखिर में क्या कुछ कहेंगे लोगों से, मैसेज क्या?
In this pandemic, the world is upside down, and how you can bring it together, it's only by helping the society. I've got 3 messages to give. Number 1, first of all, believe in yourself. When you believe in the self, the world will believe it. I'll repeat it again. I know I've repeated to the young girls, but this will help you. And remember, the Rome wasn't built in a one day, because it believed that it will happen, and it was there. Number 2, you need to build the bridges. When you build the bridges between the different communities, different society, different part of the world will help and will support each other. That is the motto of our life, because when we are born in this world, there is always some purpose of supreme why he has brought us here, and today we all are together, so we want to be helping each other and be the brothers, sisters, and support the world. And number 3, I would say that when we are building the bridges, we have to think in a positive way. Always when you have a positive aura, when the positive aura is around you, that will make your job very successful. So I think so in this pandemic, these 3 messages will help, not just to me, not just to you. We need to spread this message around the globe.
थैंक यू।
Thank you very much for having me. बहुत बहुत आपका शुक्रिया।
मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ की खबरें पसंद आने पर हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें।